In this video, I will discuss about the most famous art form of Uttarakhand, that is the Aipan art, which mainly includes the use of intricate geometric patterns. Okay, so in this video, you will get to know about each and every detail related to Aipan art. Okay, so the first thing, I have taken one plate from my worship home and I will decorate it. One more thing, I will not use any decorative material like lace, mirror or any other thing for this. I will only use my paints and I am using my acrylic paints. Okay, so in Appen art, mostly the surface is made with red color. So in the same way, I have done my surface with red color. Now I am again painting it. That means double layer. Okay, now I will paint the middle portion with yellow acrylic paints. Okay, and again I will do two layers of that. Okay, so that it will become completely visible. Okay, so in Appen art, we mostly use two colors, that is red and white. White is for the intricate geometric patterns. You can see how I'm doing. I'm just lining it. Okay, so you have to do in the same manner. Appen art is primarily created at the entrance of homes, courtyards, and places of worship to welcome deities and ward off evil spirits. Traditionally, Appen is drawn using the middle three fingers of the right hand, but nowadays in the modern art we use brushes like I am doing. And the common designs include the dot, swastik, flowers, and footprints representing goddess Lakshmi. Actually, it started on floors and walls, but now Appen is found on canvases, wall hangings, coaster, plate, as I am doing, and even on clothing, helping it to reach global audience. The motive behind creating this video was to introduce you to the Appen, not to tell you how to decorate a plate. So I have kept this plate, the design of this plate, very much simple, as I wanted to teach you about the Appen art. So in case you recreate this painting, then please do tag me on my Instagram handle. The link of my Instagram handle is given in the description box. And as we have reached to the end part of this video, I hope you must have enjoyed the video and got something new from this video. If yes, then give this video a thumbs up and let's meet in another video. Let's now enjoy the scenario.